Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Football Lions. This is our boy Richman. In fact, guys, Enzo Maresca. What is wrong with Enzo Maresca, guys? It seems he is not learning. It seems he didn't started the season with Chelsea. I don't understand. Keep on repeating same mistakes every day. You keep on doing something as a manager. It is not working. You keep on doing it. Playing players at opposition. Not starting the right players at the right time. I don't understand. In fact, our past two games, Enzo Maresca just let Chelsea wasted the first half. The past two games, the Brentford game and this game, Chelsea wasted the first half. And in fact, this game was even the disaster because we conceded 2 goals within the first half. We were lucky. In fact, guys, Enzo Maresca is just like another team playing against Chelsea. Apart from our opponent, Enzo Maresca is another team. He is playing against Chelsea. Enzo Maresca doesn't want Chelsea progression. I'm telling you. He don't want Chelsea to get top 4 this season. I'm telling you. How on earth? Why are you playing Chalobah as right back? The primary right backs are there. Gusto is there. Rhys James is there. Good players. Play them. You are playing center back as a right back. This is the same way he did and confused Disasi, guys. Chelsea signed Disasi as center back, but Enzo Maresca was playing him as left back, in which left back place was there. I don't understand how on earth. And the style of play so slow. Chelsea, we are so predictable. Abba Enzo Maresca. Why? You keep on doing same mistakes. In fact, this is not championship. This is Premier League, guys. Enzo Maresca still think that he is managing championship team. Enzo Maresca still think that he is in the championship, guys. This is the Premier League. The man is not respecting the Premier League. How on earth you are trying this? See, all our games, Enzo Maresca using different players, playing them out of position. Look at our defense today. Our defense was rubbish. Do you know the reason why? Because no consistency. This game, Chalobah and Liverpool. The next game, Tosin and Chalobah. The next game, Liverpool and Chalobah. There's no chemistry between our center backs. There's no understanding, no coordination. So that is why they struggle in this game. You saw how our defense was shambolic in this game. In fact, they could not even win a single tackle because they didn't understood each other. They didn't, because they are not playing together always. Every day, Enzo Maresca keep on changing our center backs. Every day, keep on changing them. They don't have the chemistry. So this game, our defense was shambolic. They could not win a tackle. Look at the first goal. From center, Ipswich Town player picked the ball till they score. We could not defend the ball. Second goal, the same thing. I don't understand. And how on earth professional defenders, professional players, you are raising your hands for offside? Whilst your opponent is attacking you to score, instead of you to defend, you are rather raising your hand for offside. Offside for what? Defend. At the end of the day, the systems are there. If it is offside, everybody will see it. Why are you stopping play and now raising your hands as offside? At the end, it wasn't offside. It wasn't offside. I don't understand. In fact, some of these our players, like as if they don't know the jersey that they are wearing. I'm telling you, some of these our players, like they don't know they are playing for Chelsea. They think they are playing for a mid-table team or a small team. No. Chelsea is not playing to participate or to just stay in the league. We are playing to compete. We are playing to get top 4. We are playing to win titles. We are not playing to just get 1 points or 0 points and move on. No. So when you look at this, like some of our, as if like their level is not up to the standard to play for Chelsea. No determination, no pressure, nothing. They were just playing. Okay, at the end of the day, if we win, we win. If we lose, we lose. The same as Enzo Maresca, our manager. The same as Enzo Maresca. Okay, at the end of the game, if Chelsea win, okay, we'll move on. If Chelsea lose, we'll move on. Chelsea is not we move on team with losing. Chelsea is we move on team with winning. No. We are going to the ending part of the season and we are still playing slow football. And we are still playing as if we don't want to win. No pressure. when Chelsea is holding the ball, slow, the passes were predictable. In fact, anything can defend good against Chelsea. Anything, because if Chelsea player is holding the ball, you already know where he's going to pass the ball, because he will just be on the ball, yes, as if he is with his girlfriend, as if he is a baby. He doesn't have the energy, just doing some little things with the ball till they close all the spaces, and he then pass the ball, release the ball, they intercept it and went ahead on counter. On I don't understand, guys. This our players, I don't know what. Like, you are wearing the badge. See, playing for Chelsea alone is a motivation. Thousands, billions of players all over the world want to play for Chelsea. You are lucky as a player to play for Chelsea. You are not serious? You are not being serious? In fact, today our defense was poor, rubbish. Nobody played very well. Our defenders, nobody deserve a 5-star rating or 4-star, 0 rating upon 0 rating. And let's come to our goalkeeper. Guys, you see Sanchez, I'm telling you, if Enzo Maresca doesn't listen and do the right thing and start benching Sanchez is going to sack Enzo Maresca. Guys, I'm telling you, wait and see. If Enzo Maresca keep on using Sanchez is going to sack him. See, all the 2 goals that we considered, Sanchez could have done better. I'm telling you, particularly the second goal, the heading one, or the first goal, it was that. So he was just standing, nothing to show. He didn't do any reaction to save the ball. He was just standing complaining. I don't understand. Sanchez is just rubbish. And this Sanchez, not today that I started. Since the season started, this guy is playing rubbish. Yes. No good, no being good on the legs. Sometimes the save is not there. He's not doing the right save. And Mareska keep on using him. Can you believe that Mareska benched him and started using him again? I don't understand why. What is wrong? That is why for me, I keep on saying every day that Mareska is playing against Chelsea. I'm telling you. Because how on earth you are using a player, that player is not performing, that player is not delivering. You keep on using that player. You keep on using that. So what is your reason? Or you want Chelsea to be losing games as a manager? You want your team to be losing games as a manager? The guy is not good. Bench him. We have at least 3 goalkeepers on the bench. Bring Jorgensen. He will improve. Once he is playing, he will improve. Ben Sanchez, use that as a punishment. Let him know that he must improve before he get the playing time. Let him know that if he doesn't improve, he's not playing. But you see the mistakes he did or committed in this game. The next game is starting. Sanchez is starting. And you will see Maresca press conference. He will defend him. He will not tell him to improve. So if you can't go hard on your players, how can they improve? If you are telling your players they are doing good, and when they are not doing good, how can they improve, ladies and gentlemen? Enzo Maresca. Why? Abba. Guys, see, Enzo Maresca cannot be a big team coach. Enzo Maresca cannot be Chelsea coach. Because enough is enough. We have seen enough. He started the season this way. Since December up to now, the same mistakes he is doing, the same mistakes. Every game he will repeat that. Every game playing players out of position, benching our best players till Chelsea lost it all. Then he started bringing them in. He started bringing them in as if he want to save the day or as if he want Chelsea to win. This is pretend. When Chelsea was missing Chelsea, he was just holding his head as if he wanted Chelsea to win. How on earth you have your best players? You are playing players out of position. Guys, what is wrong with Reece James in this game? Is Reece James injured? I don't know why. What is wrong? Reece James didn't play this game. I don't know. So guys, Enzo Maresca in the future, if he doesn't change, if Chelsea sack him, I will not be surprised. If Chelsea sack Enzo Maresca today, I will not be surprised. I'm telling you. And let's come to maybe the positive side in this game. Yes, this game we saw Sancho shooting. In fact, this game Sancho wear the shooting boot. Yes. This is what we've been saying. You have the footwork, you have the technique, the ability is there. And always Sancho will find himself in the right position in the box. But sometimes unnecessary passes, he will not shoot. Look at the goal that he scored. It was superb, marvelous goal. Look at the angle he put the ball. Yes, look at the placing from Sancho. Yes, this is what, see, sometimes low blocks team, you have to shoot. It surprised the goalkeepers. Look at their goalkeepers, the save he made today. But look at the shooting. It went through him. He could not save that ball because he didn't think that the shooting was coming. The ball was coming. Yes. So shooting is very, very important when it comes to low blocks team. It's surprising. When you shoot, you can get deflection. When you shoot, you can get handball. So many things. So this game also, Sancho as a substitute, yes, as an equalizer, he scored the equalizing goal. And Mareska also assisted the first goal. Yes, it was recorded as own goal. Yes, not for Cucurella. Yes, when I check. Yes. So this game also, nice cross from Mareska. And also Palmer. In fact, Palmer performance today was good. Yes, super. He was everywhere, delivering passes, giving through passes. Yes, long balls. But what was missing was the goal. Palmer also played well. And Neto keep on giving the pressure. Yes, giving the energy. But sometimes the finishing edge is not there. Yes, his crosses are always on the air. Yes, over. Yes. So Neto, he has to work on that. Next time, bring the cross down for your attackers to head. Yes. And this game, Charlie, we didn't see much from Justin. Yes, a lot was expected. We were expecting a lot from Justin since he returned from injury. This game, we didn't see a lot. And Justin, sometimes he need that through balls. Yes, that running. But when it comes to that low blocks, Justin, you will not see the best of him. This is one of the reasons why Justin needs a striker. And this is one of the reasons why we must sign a striker in the summer. I'm telling you, Justin can't do it alone. Yes, Justin aren't enough. Yes, he is better than the attackers we have for now. But he is not Chelsea striker or Chelsea standard yet. So we need a striker in the summer. Yes. And who also play very well? Caicedo as usual. Yes. And Caicedo, you can do everything. But one man doesn't play football. He can do everything. But if others doesn't help, you will not see his performance. So, Charlie, our team, they must improve. See, the players, they should forget about Enzo Maresca and play. Yes, they should play with determination. They should play that they want to play Champions League as players next season. They should forget about that clueless manager. So we are lucky sometimes when we play that and lose or drop points, City will also drop points. If it were down to Enzo Maresca tactics or his decision makings, no, by now Chelsea will be 10th on the league table. So guys, see, Enzo Maresca must improve. Or this is Chelsea. Yes, if Chelsea can sack a coach who finish third, a coach who win a trophy, why not? You, this championship manager, who are you? No. So guys, see, Enzo Maresca is playing against Chelsea. And please, let me hear from you under the comment section, guys, your opinion, your thought. What was the reason why Chelsea could not win this game? Yes, let me hear from you. And please, don't forget to hit the like button and hit the subscription button. When I see the numbers, it gives me the motivation to give you more videos. Take care, peace.